Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to qualify for Monzo. Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that has been gaining a lot of attention recently. They offer a number of innovative features, such as a free current account, a prepaid card, and a budgeting app. But how do you qualify for Monzo? In this video, I'll go over the requirements and the process. What is Monzo? Before we get into the specifics of how to qualify for Monzo, let's take a quick look at what Monzo is. Monzo is a challenger bank that was founded in 2015. They offer a number of innovative features, such as a free current account, a prepaid card, a budgeting app, instant notifications of transactions, roundups to save spare change, interest on your savings, travel insurance, and more. Monzo is available to UK residents who are 18 or older. You can apply for a Monzo account online or through the Monzo app. How to qualify for Monzo? Now that we know what Monzo is, let's talk about how to qualify for it. There are two main requirements for qualifying for Monzo. You must be a UK resident. You must be 18 or older. If you meet these two requirements, you can apply for a Monzo account. The application process. The application process is very simple. You can apply for a Monzo account online or through the Monzo app. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the Monzo website or download the Monzo app. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Verify your identity. You can do this by providing a photo ID, such as your passport or driving license. Create a password. Choose your account color. Confirm your account. Once you have confirmed your account, you will be able to start using your Monzo account. What happens after you apply? Once you have applied for a Monzo account, it will take a few days for your application to be processed. Once your application has been approved, you will receive an email from Monzo inviting you to set up your account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for qualifying for Monzo. Make sure that your personal details are correct and up to date. Provide a valid photo ID. Choose a strong password. Be patient. It may take a few days for your application to be processed. Qualifying for Monzo is easy. If you are a UK resident who is 18 or older, you can apply for a Monzo account online or through the Monzo app. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.